In math, we were taught to imagine the sequence of numbers on a line where we start from 0 and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we reach 10. Reaching 10 is like going back to 0, but this time it's labeled with a 1. After which we resume counting 1 to 9 again with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Upon reaching 20, we again circle back to 0, restart counting 1 to 9, reach 0 again with 30, and so on and so forth. Now something similar happens in music. The different pitches or notes in music are labeled as letters starting from A, moving alphabetically forward to B, C, D, E, F, then G. Oh, by the way, I'd like to point out that the terms pitch and note are not exactly equivalent in meaning in music. We'll get to that difference in one of our future lessons, but for now, we will use these terms, pitch and note, interchangeably. Anyway, moving on. After G, we return back to A, where the alphabetical cycle restarts. Then we reach G again, and the cycle starts anew. The reason for this is that the letter notes 8 spaces apart sound alike in terms of their sonic properties. Simply put, they just sound so good together that they seem to be similar to each other. These A's sound alike. These E's sound alike. And so do these C's. The reason for this can be explained by physics in terms of the frequencies of the sound waves of these seemingly similar notes. We'll probably go over that in a different video. Anyway, since similar pitches occur on every 8th note, we call these repeating sequences octaves. These letter notes can be played using the white keys of the piano keyboard, with the C notes located to the left of the black keys that come in groups of 2. The A notes, meanwhile, are found to the right of the middle of the set of black keys that come in groups of 3. Now, what about these black keys? The black keys produce pitches that are somewhere in the middle of the pitches made by the white keys to their left and right. For instance, the black key in between A and B produces a note called A sharp. The sharp symbol denotes a half note distance above the given note, and in this case, A sharp is a half note above A. The same note can also be called B flat. The flat symbol denotes a half note distance below the given note. In this case, B flat is a half note below B. The other black notes are named in the same manner, namely C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, F sharp or G flat, G sharp or A flat, and the cycle repeats as well. The notes found within one octave from A to G sharp right before cycling back to A are the 12 notes of the 12 equal temperament system. These are the standard pitches used in Western music. To be proficient in music, one must be able to memorize this sequence of notes. And in doing so, please take note that there are no black notes in between B and C and in between E and F. And as mentioned earlier, this sequence repeats infinitely as we go down or up throughout the pitches that we produce.